Hello uaLearners! My name is Natalia and in this video you will learn Ukrainian consonant sounds. Ukrainian language has 22 letters which can represent 32 different sounds. You may ask why there are more sounds than letters. The answer is simple. Some Ukrainian consonants may become soft and form sound combinations with other consonants. Since we have to learn 32 sounds, let's learn them in groups. Meanwhile, consider subscribing to this channel if you find this or my other videos helpful. The first group consists of consonants which are always pronounced in the same way. We will be referring to them as to the hard consonants, since they do not have a soft pair. These consonants are labial consonants like b, p, v, m, f, like in the phrase mavpa buf. Also, this group includes sibilant consonants like j, ch, sh, j, like in the phrase ще їжджу. Also, the following velar consonants are included, like k, g, h, h, like in the mnemonic phrase huga, huka. Let's read some words which have these consonants. Жук, бак, чиж, пух, мав, ганок, гума, горіх, форма, бджола, жінка, чаша. The second group consists of consonants which can be both hard and soft. Hard consonants d, t, z, s, c, l, n, r, and z can become soft if you move your tongue a bit up and forward. This is how it works. D, d, t, t, z, z, s, s, c, c, l, l, n, n, z, z, r, r. If you can't feel the difference between hard and soft consonants, I have some tips for you. Pronunciation of soft consonants feels like diminishing the space between your tongue and your upper palate. It's like d, 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 d. Tip number 2. Because soft consonants have a bit higher pitch, you can imagine them like baby versions of the hard consonants. There are a dull and serious d, t, n, and there are their baby versions like d, t, n. The next third group is super small. It consists of one consonant. This is consonant yot or y. This consonant is always soft on its own. I have talked a lot about this consonant in my previous video about yotated vowels, so if you feel like you need to refresh your memory, feel free to return to that video. The last fourth group consists of sound combinations j and z. They are also called digraphs. In order to pronounce a digraph, you need to pronounce two sounds, one by one, without any pause. Try to repeat after me. D, j, j, d, z, z, d, z, d. And here are some examples to practice with. Дзеркало, джерело, дзюдо, джаз, дзвінок, дзьоб. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your learning. Bye!